Bitcoin just hit $31,000. Our last call in Bitcoin was to buy Bitcoin right here around 25,500. Okay, we made a small profit of 25%. And guess what? We don't care for Bitcoin. We care for altcoin pumps. Example, CareCoin. I shared this trade in the private list on June 30. We bought this coin for 0.00, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 503. And put a seller up here, daily resistance. Okay, 230%. Let me show how my soft is track this coin right here. My soft, you see here, trade crypto, is focused and track the market on the volume spike plus buyer power. If you go to CareCoin, go to CoinGecko and go right here on June 26, pay attention to this volume. Volume was $62,000 right there. Just do your homework. And June 30, when I shared this trade at the private list, volume was 645,000. That means the volume increased 10 times. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. When I share my trades in the private list, more people will buy this coin right here. So we made 230%. Next trade recap. The trades I shared in the private list on this week was CareCoin, ADreward, MetagamZ, StepEx, TemDAO, Verge. Guys, I share all my trades in the private list. All you gotta do is to copy my trades. TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com. Reach me out if you like to get those trades in real time. Okay, one more trade. MetagamZ, guys, I shared this trade in the private list right here yesterday. We bought this coin for 0.00018. Put a seller up here, daily resistance 0.0003. Guys, 75% profit. I made 7,500. Okay, one more example here. We trade example TemDAO. Let's go to CoinGecko. Guys, pay attention because this thing is very important. In order to find those pumps, you need to calculate volume spike plus buyer power. Let me give you a quick example here. I'm gonna open your volume spike. You see, Litecoin volume just spiked 125%. That's what I'm talking about. You have to combine volume spike plus buyer power. If you do that, you will find the coins will pump. I've been doing this for over 10 years. One more example here, TemDAO. Let's go to CoinGecko, TemDAO, right here. Let's go to the charts. On the 7 days, right here. Let's make this thing smaller, right there. Right here, on 29, the volume was $128,000. On 30, volume was $830,000. You see the difference between 29 and 30? This move here, it's invisible on the market because the market has 10,000 coins. My software right now is tracking 5,000 coins at the same time. So this small volume increase right here give me a confidence that buyers will control the market. What is going to happen with the price? The price goes up. This is serious business here. I just made $53,000 and you're welcome to join us. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.